Welcome to this Bybit trading tutorial, and in this trading tutorial we will talk about how to get an account on Bybit, how you can trade on Bybit, where you can deposit your money, where you can buy more cryptocurrencies, and how to use this completely overview from Bybit. If you don't have an account on Bybit yet, then you can go under this video. There in the video description there is a link. Click this link, then you get in touch with Bybit, and then you can sign up for your Bybit account. So when you are on the Bybit website, you can put here at the right side at sign up. Then you get this website with create an account. So you must type your email, your password, or you can use also your mobile number or the Google plugin to activate your account. So then you press continue. When you have logged in your account, then you can go here at the right side to your overview. There you can see your user ID, your email address, also all the settings that you need for changing some informations or something else. Then also you can go here to the assets. At the assets, there you find your overview, what assets you have. We can go here at the assets overview. If you have created your account, there are nothing in your asset overview. So same as by me, I'm creating this account today. So here you can see there's no assets inside. Then you can also deposit your assets. So here you can see the spot assets, you see the trading assets, or also the funding assets. So all this time we are checking in the next few minutes what are the important things for that. So here we have the spot assets. Spot assets is where you have, by example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, or you can see here also some more coins. So that is the first thing I want to talk about, that you can buy cryptocurrencies. So if you want to buy cryptocurrencies, you can go here on buy, or also if you have the Bitcoin on another exchange, you can go on deposit. Then you can copy your Bitcoin wallet address, and then you can send the Bitcoin from your other account to your Bybit account. You can also trade with this. If you have a deposit here, some trading money, you can go to trade. And here we have some different trading art. You have the spot trading. There you can see you have a leverage from 3x. Then you are here at the trading overview. You can see also the full chart. Also you can zoom in or zoom out, change the time indicators using some more indicators, or also can mark something in the chart. So you can use it, all belongs to you. And if you also have followed me on YouTube, I have also only using the trading overview, so you can see directly what I am doing in the video, and you can also mark it here in your chart. So here at the overview, we can see first of all the Bitcoin USDT. We see the price of it, the change in the 24 hours. We also see the low or the highest in the last 24 hours. We have the order book. The order book is what the prices are buying and also what the prices are selling. So you can see what traders are in the last time are doing. And the very important thing here at the right side, you can see where we can open trades. We can open a limit order. A limit order means we can put here an order price, and if the price came down or came up to our price, the order will be in touch and will be ordered in your order book. And the market order is this one that we go directly now in the market with a buy opportunity, so a long position to trade this to the upside, or to a short position to short this for the downside. Then you can go here, the order cost by USDT. So if you have deposit USDT, or if you have deposit Bitcoins, you can change it or transfer it to USDT, and you can trade first with USDT or you can also trade with the Bitcoin prices. So it's up to you. Here you can tip up the number, maybe 2000 USDT, or you can also looking for the percents of your account. If you have 1000 US dollar on this account, you can type here 50%, then it's 500 euros. So I definitely put the numbers in it because it's much more easier. And also you can belong for a buy position or a short position by your stop loss and by a take profit. Let us also talk on both scenarios. So the first one, buy position, we have talking about, we're looking for higher prices. For sell position, we're looking for the chart is going down. So here we can put a take profit in. Take profit means that if the price came up to our level, it's catching out and we're saving our money. So if you don't know when you are going to trading now and you're going outside and you want to save your money, if the price target it's reached, then you can put here maybe 25,000 US dollars. So that will be, zoom a little bit out, it would be here. If the price come there, then we get our profits. Then also we can tip up our stop loss. Stop loss means this: if the price go in the other direction, in not our direction we are predicting, this is the maximum risk we can lose. So maybe we can here make 20,000. So if the price came now under 20,000 US dollars, we are out of the market with a little bit loss, but not a big loss if the market goes very, very down, maybe to 10,000 US dollars or something else. So if you're trading overnight, it's one of the important things that you take a stop loss and also take profit. So there you can open this trade. So you can choose with open short or long position. The same we have with the balance with maybe 50%. You have also with the trading stop loss. So you can do a trading stop loss maybe if only 10% from your account. So that's a very, very good thing. There we can manage our risk. So this is the thing: we can open a long position, a short position. The second one, we can also close this position. When you have opened the position will be marked here. We're looking at there later. Then you can close here, you can close by, then you can click close, and then the position is closed. So the next one I will talking about you is the leverage. And the leverage is with how many margin you go in this trade. So here you can choose from 1x, 1 leverage, up to 100 leverage. So it's up to you. More leverage means more risk, but more leverage means also more money if we win the trade. So the most time I use leverage trading was 10x. So 10x, if we have we can look here. If we have here a long position with maybe 5% to the upside or 5% to the downside, with 10x leverage, you're winning 50%, not 5%, 50%, but also you can lose not 5%, 50% of your account. So that is very important to know what it means a long leverage and also what means a short leverage. So guys, definitely look around this, that you trade in your own risk. When we go a little bit down, we can see here our asset. You can see how your balance, how many Bitcoins, how many USDT you have in your account. There you can also buy more Bitcoins or deposit your Bitcoins. So here we see if we are trading now on this, we trade here with USDT. So you can choose here USDT. You have your wallet address, then you can copy this, put it your put it in your wallet, send this USDT or send this Bitcoin also to Bybit, and then you can trade with them. Also, when you are here at the trading overview, you can go to the BTC logo. There you can also change to trade with altcoins. So you can see here that you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, 𝗕cie, XRP. So you can also trade all of the altcoins. You can see here, make it as your favorites. You can change it by price, by the changes, or in the trading volume. You can also, what I find is definitely very, very good, you can go here for Metaverse. Then you have all coins which are in the Metaverse. You can go to DeFi, or you can also to NFT. So then you have only coins which are in this category of NFT or from Metaverse. So very, very cool thing. There you can also, we can go here when we are going there, we can go to ApeCoin. Then we can see that now the ApeCoin chart is here in this overlay. We have also our order book and can also trade ApeCoin or Ethereum or some more coins. So here we have also the same overview. So it's all the same if you are trading Bitcoin, if you're trading Ethereum, or if you want to trade with the altcoins. If you have earned profits with trading, you can also go to your assets, to your spot wallet. We can go back. We was there at the beginning of the video. There you see your total equity also. Then maybe when we are saying yes, we have made here on our USDT maybe 10,000 USD in profits, you can go also to transfer. You can send it in Bybit, or you can go to withdrawal. Then you see here you have seen your coin which you are withdrawing, so now USDT. You can mark your wallet address. That means click on add wallet address or copy your wallet address, then take your exchange and also your network, your amount what you want to withdraw, and then you can go to submit. You see what's your limit. So you have a limit from 2 BTCs per day you can withdraw. I think 2 BTC withdrawal limit is full okay. So here you can also see how you can withdraw your money if you have trade with Bybit and you want to pay your bills or you want to buy some new stuff. That is also the end of this overview. Don't forget, if you don't have an account, you can go under this video. There you find a link where you can get directly in touch with Bybit. So you become a starting bonus, so that when you deposit your trading money, you get directly money per bonus on top. So if you use maybe 5 or 10x leverage with this bonus money, you can double up it, or you can make 10x also with this bonus. So guys, click this link, deposit your money, start trading, and also withdraw your profits here with the Bybit trading overview. And also don't forget that I make trading ideas also on YouTube on the daily basis. So definitely make advantage that you don't missing out one of the next videos. So get in touch with this YouTube channel to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel that you never miss out one of the next video, because in the videos I gave you the trading overview for the next times in the market.